In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar chart in Power BI. We'll build it in Power BI Desktop, and I'll walk you through choosing the chart type, adding the right fields, and polishing the design so it's clear and easy to read. Go ahead and launch Power BI Desktop. Once it's open, load the report or dataset you're working with by opening your existing file. If you see the report canvas, you're ready to add a visual. Make sure your model includes at least one categorical field, like product or region, and one numerical field, such as sales or units sold. That combination is the foundation of any bar or column chart. Look to the Visualizations pane on the right side of the screen. Click the clustered bar chart icon for horizontal bars, or choose the clustered column chart for vertical bars. Power BI will drop a blank placeholder onto the canvas. You can resize this placeholder by dragging its corners so it fits the layout of your page. Now connect your data to the visual. From the Fields pane, drag a categorical field into the y-axis well if you picked a bar chart, or into the x-axis well if you picked a column chart. This determines the categories that will be listed along the axis. Next, drag a numerical field into the x-axis for a bar chart or into the y-axis for a column chart. These values define the length or height of each bar. If the bars look crowded, try enlarging the visual area for better readability. With the structure in place, it's time to format the chart. Click the Format Visual button, the paint roller or brush icon, in the Visualizations pane. This opens styling controls for labels, colors, titles, and more. Turn on data labels to display the exact values on each bar. Labels make comparisons much faster at a glance. You can adjust the label size and position to keep the chart tidy. Then refine your colors. Choose a single brand color, or use conditional formatting to create a gradient based on value, which helps highlight high and low performers immediately. Keep contrast high so labels remain legible. Finally, update titles. Give the visual a clear chart title that states what the numbers represent, and edit the axis titles so units and category meanings are unmistakable. And that's it. You've created a bar or column chart that's accurate, readable, and presentation ready.